Queensland's North Tropical Coast will continue to see heavy to locally intense rainfall today and going into tomorrow and the weekend, thanks to a low pressure trough which is sitting close to the northeast coast. Taking a closer look at that, we're already seeing significant thunderstorm activity developing around this trough, mostly offshore at the moment, but the system is pushing significant moisture onshore in the form of rain areas. In the 24 hours to 9 o'clock this morning, we've seen rainfall totals between 20 and 40 millimetres about the North Tropical Coast, with some isolated higher falls, including 74 millimetres at Lockhart River and around 60 millimetres at Hamilton Island. Since 9 o'clock this morning, further rain coming into the gauges about the Cairns coast, already pushing into that 20 to 40 millimetre range, with some isolated higher falls already seen. Because of these high rainfall amounts we're seeing, we do have a severe weather warning current for heavy rainfall, and it extends from Daintree Village down towards Rolling Stone and covers the adjacent land areas as well. Within this warning area, we could see heavy to locally intense rainfall, which could lead to flash flooding. This sort of rain can cut off roads and local transport routes and cause landslips, as well as damage to homes, businesses and properties. Taking a look at how it's going to play out over the next few days, we're going to see that rain continuing to stream onto the coast, with the focus for today and tomorrow really between Townsville and Cairns. But as we move into the weekend, that focus is going to shift further north. The heaviest falls are expected today and tomorrow, but that's not to say we couldn't see some over the weekend as well, depending on exactly where the trough lies and if we see any thunderstorm activity. Taking a look at the accumulated rainfall totals across the period, we're going to see a similar story. Across today and tomorrow, those totals will really build up between Townsville and Cairns, but as we move into the weekend, we're going to see them push slightly further north. Because of this prolonged risk, we do have a flood watch current for a very similar area of the coast as the severe weather warning. Catchments are fairly dry in this area, so they will take a while to respond to this rainfall. But once they do, we could see minor flooding across these riverine catchments over the weekend. With this system continuing to change, it is important you keep up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings via our website, app and social media. And always listen to advice from your local emergency services.